Hi guys, if you are looking for a best sewing machine for home use in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best sewing machine for home use only for you. Here I have reviewed 5 different sewing machines to see which one offers value for your money. So let's go to watch the full video. Product number 1, Brother XM2701 sewing machine. After using the Brother XM2701 sewing machine for home sewing projects, I found it to be one of the best beginner-friendly machines available. It's lightweight, simple to set up, and perfect for daily tasks like repairing clothes, hemming pants, and small diagrams. The machine offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative and stitch options, which is impressive considering its affordable price. In terms of price, it sits in the budget to mid-range, cheaper than the computerized Brother CS7000X and the heavy-duty Singer 4452, but more reliable than most mini machines. If you want a dependable, easy home sewing machine without spending too much, this is a smart choice. Product number 2, Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. The Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine is the most advanced machine I have personally used among these 5 models. It's a computerized sewing machine that feels perfect for people who want more control and creativity in their sewing. With 70 built-in stitches, a large workspace, and an LCD display, it makes sewing and quilting much easier. Among these 5 products, this model sits in the higher mid-price range, but the features justify the cost. If you plan to sew frequently, quilt, or work on creative design, this machine is definitely worth buying. Product number 3 is Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine. The portable mini electric sewing machine is the smallest and most budget-friendly option I have tried. It's designed mainly for beginners, students, or people who only need a sewing machine occasionally. Because of its compact size and lightweight, it's extremely easy to carry and store, which makes it useful for small apartments or travel. In terms of price, it's the cheapest among all 5 machines. If you only need a simple sewing solution for occasional use, this is a good low-cost choice. But for serious sewing projects, one of the Brother or Singer models would be better. The product in 4th place is Brother FB1757X mechanical sewing machine. After testing the Brother FB1757X mechanical sewing machine, I found it to be a very balanced sewing machine for home users. It offers mechanical reliability with enough features to handle everyday sewing projects like clothing repairs, craft projects, and light garment making. Compared with the Brother XM2701, the performance is quite similar, though the stitch variety is slightly more limited. It's also much more powerful and stable than the portable mini machine. Price-wise, it falls in the affordable mid-range, cheaper than the computerized CS7000X, but usually close in price to the XM2701. If you want to straightforward, dependable sewing machine without digital complexity, this is a solid option for home sewing. Product number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4452 High Speed Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 High Speed Sewing Machine is easily the most powerful machine I have used among these 5. It's specifically designed for heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, upholstery material, and even charm leather projects. The strong motor and metal frame make it extremely durable. However, it's slightly heavier and louder than lighter home machines. Beginners may also find it a bit powerful if they only plan to sew delicate fabrics. In terms of price comparison, it usually sits near the top of this list among with the brother CS7000X. But for heavy-duty sewing, the performance justifies the cost. If you frequently work with thick materials or want a long-lasting machine, this Singer model is an excellent investment. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get such product reviews video from my channel.